Greetings and salutations. Let's talk about some ways to improve your grades on the weekly exercises, starting with the chapter quizzes. Now, when considering the contributing causes to grades, the two greatest predictors of bad grades on the quizzes are as follows. First, students who crack open the textbook for the first time right before the quiz, rather than taking the time to study the material. Aside from the fact that you're not actually learning anything by doing this, most of the questions require you to think about the material you have read, and you can't expect to find the answers as you take the quiz. Second, students who rush through the quizzes aren't taking the time to think about the questions. Some of the questions are tricky and have good and best answers. The correct answer will always be the best answer. And if you speed your way through the questions, you're likely to miss the best answer. Use the full time available to you. Now, let's talk about the discussion boards. I can see the unfortunate influence of social media on the discussion board responses. But a discussion board is not like social media. All too often, I see very informal, conversational kind of responses on the discussion board, of the sort you see on social media. But that's not what the discussion boards are. These are college-level graded assignments, and you should treat them like short essay assignments, which in fact what they are. Read the guidelines very carefully, because the guidelines let you know exactly what I'm looking for on these assignments. I think the hardest thing for a student who is new to a philosophy class consists in a kind of shift in education. For most of your education, you were expected to demonstrate your understanding of the material by simply memorizing the answers and then spitting them out on an exam. Now, but a philosophy class requires you to come up with your own answers, and that is difficult for someone who's accustomed to simply looking up the answers. The key to this is how well you support your point of view. And you support your point of view by providing good reasons, examples, evidence, and good logic. And that's what I look for when I grade your work. That's it for now. Thank you for listening, and I hope this was helpful. And until next time, take care.